Hi guys, it's been a long time since I was here, but I'm back. We had technicalities with our vlogging device, that's why tumekuwa nje kidogo, but tumerudi. So tumerudi na 3 issues. One, nimekuwa leave for the last 2 months. I've really enjoyed my leave. For the first time nimekuwa leave since ni join, since nikuwa employed. It's the first time naenda leave ile tu like annual leave. Leave yenye nimeenda ni maternity leave. Sijaenda leave ingine tena. Another thing is I was able to start up a mtumba business selling kids clothes, and I'm happy because so far so good. Siko vibaya sana na pia siko vizuri sana, niko hapo katikati. Biashara inashika. Like we pray with time, everything will be okay. Nah, I don't complain. So far, so good. The third thing, guys, I don't know whether I am the bad person or I'm not lucky with houses. I'm not just a lucky person when it comes to houses. So I don't know, in my next, when I'm employing a next house girl, I should employ her on a contract basis. Like nataka kuweka, you cannot leave my house before 6 months elapse. I don't know. But what if kama ni mimi ndo sitakuwa nafanya nini? Sitakuwa nakuwa satisfied na kazi yake. But what I know, the latest house help who has just left my house, she worked for only 2 months. In fact, she came when I was just starting my leave, and I really had the time to train her on how she should take care of my kid and how she should handle the house. Of which we would have too, like, she has been the best, because nimekuwa na yeye, I've not been going to work. I've only been leaving the house. Mama, what is it? What are you doing now? Can you stop doing that? Sorry for that. Because we had the opportunity to share. Like, si ati mtu nilikuwa natoka narudi namwambia, oh, you've not done this. No, I was telling her, do this like this, fanya hivi. Unajua wale wengine wanakujanga nikiwa naenda job, so namwambia tu utafanya. So when I come back, ndo naanza, oh, ukufanya hivi vizuri. But huyu, we had all the time together mpaka akaingia system vizuri kabisa. There was no way I would complain. So this girl, last week, like a week before she left, the lady told me, like, it was on, I think on a Wednesday, she requested for an off day. Not an off day per se, because I always give her off either on Saturday or Sunday, depending on the days I'm around. Najua mi si yule mtu napeana off at every Sunday, no, only when I'm around. So she had gone for an off on a Saturday. Then coming Wednesday at night when we were having our supper, she told me that, Auntie, next week on Monday I would like to go for medical checkup. And I was like, what is the problem? Drink your juice. Drink juice. Sorry. So I asked her, what's the problem? Then she was like, I'm just going for a normal medical checkup. And I was like, fine. On Monday I'll be around, you just to go. Because whenever she's leaving, I have to stay behind, because we have a small baby, a 2-year-old who cannot remain by herself, who does not go even to school. So in the morning around 7, she came to my bedroom, she knocked the door, and when I opened, she said, Auntie, I'm leaving. I've done everything, tea ready, whatever. Kambia, sir, okay, when you reach there, in case you need my help, just call my number, then we talk. Sawa. Sisi tumebaki kwa nyumba na my baby, tumerelax, tuna watch tu, because just siku hizi internet imeharibu issues. Wewe ashashika tablet yake huko na watch. I'm also busy with my phone. At around 11, a woman calls me and she's like, hi, this girl will not come back early. She will have to stay behind until around 4 or 5. And I was like, honey, what's the problem? Then the lady told me that there are so many, and the medical checkup will take long because there are so many people they're doing for. Like wanafanyia watu wengi kitu. Then I was like, okay, if it's a matter of health, you just make sure that you treat her and she gets the best medication. Me, I don't have problem with it, whichever time she comes back. Tukakaka around 4:30, a man calls me again with a different number. Then he was like, so and so is not coming back today. She will have to wait till tomorrow because we have not finished the process. So she will have to spend at the hostel with the other girls whose medications are ready and are ready to leave. I was like, leave what? And why hostel? Where are you guys? Because this lady told me that she was going to town. But this guy told me that they were at Westland. Then I was like, what are they doing at Westland? And why is this girl not calling me? Why is it that different people are calling me with different numbers? Why can't the lady call me? Then I hung up, called her number. Then I was like, hi. Why are people calling me? Why are you not communicating with me? Is anything the problem? Should I come or what? These people are saying that I still have to remain behind because they have not completed whatever they wanted to do for me. Kwani shida ni nini? Now, to how many hospitals have you passed from Embakasi to Westlands? And you told me you were going to town, you were in Westlands. Si tuliambiwa ni town, but tulifika town ndio tukachukuliwa na gari, tukapelekwa Westlands. Then I hung up. I called the mother and nikamuuliza, kwani mtoto wako anakuanga na shida gani? Then she was like, kwa nini? Nikamwambia, she left the house in the morning and narrated the whole story. Then the mother was like, are you serious? Could this girl be going to Saudi Arabia? When I heard Saudi Arabia, yari niliisha my dear. Yari nilichoka tu cause, this is one person who has been so good. Huyu ndo hata atujai pitana na yeye because the moment I told her what I wanted, I'll stick to what I want. Afanyangi kitu yenye before she does anything, she will always ask me, auntie, can I do this? Like hata kazi yake is so perfect. In fact, hapo katikati I think 3 weeks ago, my cousin wanted to give me a very good household, a very good mature woman. But I was like, this lady has not done anything wrong to me. I should just give her the chance. In case tutaachana, then I will look for that one. Oh my God, I wish I knew. I wish I knew, Yawa. I wish I knew. So when the mother called her, the mother asked her, where are you? Before she came to my house, somebody had contacted her earlier on. Offer job ya Saudi Arabia. And now I'm wondering, why did she have to come to my house when she already was planning to go there? But now the only thing that is hurting me the most is I've taken 2 good months with this lady. She has got into my system, my baby system, my house, like everything in a run smoothly. I'm going back to work next week. Like on Sunday, I'm supposed to be at work. I don't have a house girl. How will my baby just cope up with another girl? Na sasa nitakuwa natoka na muacha na another Well, let's hope for the best, guys. I don't know what I will do with these household issues, but nachia Mungu. I have called, there's a friend of mine who was, because getting household pia is si kazi rahisi siku hizi. So I called a friend of mine who gave me a number ya bureau, akaniambia they have good girls. Nikapigia bureau, akaniambia the lady will come around 12. So tunangojea tusikie venye kutakuwa, but one thing I once told my friend that I would like to give birth, but when I remember that I have to look for another person to help me raise my child, not raise my child per se, but to look after the child when I go to work, because I have to go to work. I have to work for this kid too. I have to go to work for the child anyway, because siwezi zaa tu na mtoto atakaa hapo. So nikikumbuka ati lazima mtu akuje anisaidie ku look after the baby, like I'm just done with giving birth. I'm done. To be sincere, I'm done. So guys, I was thinking of in my next employment, not employment per se, but the next person I'm employing, I'm going to tell her one thing. That is, you will have to stay with me for not less than 6 months. Tunaweza anza kuargue, in fact not 6 months, 1 year. Mimi nataka tuanze ikuwe contract ya 1 year. I pay you for the first 6 months as a inaitwa nje boom, na kupea boom ya the first 6 months. Then the next payment is after 12, like on the 12th month. That is it. Na kama hapo katikati tutasikizana, then utatoka. But kama utakuwa mtu mzuri but now you want to take advantage of me, hey, well, let's wait for the new house girl tuone venye kutakuwa guys. I'm just done. Nimechoka. I cannot take my child to my mom because I don't know. My mother raised me because somebody was telling me, oh, you can take the baby to your mother. No. Acha nijaribu tu kana yeye pia ya grow. Akifika tu 7. But 7, but she still has like 5 years to turn 7. Akianza shule next year maybe, but still itakuwa ngumu juu my time za kwenda kazi ni tofauti na time ya wanafunzi kwenda shule pia kurudi. I don't know, but tunaomba tu Mungu tusaidie wazazi. Thank you for watching guys. Now we are back and content will be flowing like daily. Not even daily per se, but every week we'll be having like 3 content. Yeah, tulikuwa na technicalities kwa our vlogging devices, but at least tumepata zingine mpya na kazi itaendelea. By the way, na glow. Thank you for watching. Bye. Let's meet on my next video.